Good morning, everyone. Kaye here in my Tennessee homestead, coming to you from my sunroom, one of my favorite spots in this house. I've been here almost a year, and if you recall, last December, I arrived with 25 plants in the back of my Prius. Renee, who had worked for me before I ever started gardening, came that last day, the day of the movers, and he took all of the root balls out of the pots and chopped them down. We put them in garbage bags and just stacked them one on one in the back of the Prius. It was like a sardine can. If you haven't seen my trip across the country where I stayed with various friends, I'll put the link right up here. But I had a great time. I spent a month crossing the country. I spent a week in Phoenix with Jack Davis. I spent almost a week in Lubbock with my friend Linda. I had a great time, and I was so happy to see my old friends. I got here and a couple of plants didn't make it, I have to be honest. I think they were annuals. And so the pepper plant that I had rebooted with Scott Head down at Black Gumbo channel, I had done a video last summer, 2020, where he gave me some tips on how to reboot that plant. And I made a video on that. Look up there for that one. Scott has a great channel, and I encourage you to check it out. He's a great teacher. And he is a backyard gardener. I was a front yard gardener in California, and he's a backyard gardener. So if you're new to my channel and you happen to stumble upon something in a California garden, that's where I started my channel, and I was there for 8.5 years. And now I'm here, and I've made hundreds of videos since I've gotten here, like a year ago, almost a year ago. I wish my whole house were glass, but it's not. So I love to have tea in here and talk to my plants. And this summer it's been very spacious with so many of my plants out on the driveway. But now it's time to bring the citrus in because they cannot survive freezing weather. So at the end of October, the very last day, I decided I need to reboot all my potted plants. I had some bugs, and they all needed to be fed and watered. And so I did all of that the last day in preparation for the trees coming in. So then the night before the big frost, I knew I had to get the citrus inside. And so I gave them the treatment out on the driveway. Actually, there's just a little bit of sunlight right here, so I'm going to do it right here. got some new caddies that will fit these trees better. I just need to put them together. This calamondin lime is loaded with fruit, but the leaves are falling off. So I'm anxious to get that inside. These are the plants that would have been in a greenhouse if I'd gotten one built. This little one got a lot of bug damage. This is the mandarin. It actually produced the first year, and it hasn't produced since I put it back into a pot. But I haven't given up. It's got new growth on it, and it won't have any grasshoppers eating on it in my sunroom. Now, I had ordered some new caddies to go underneath those pots that I have been lugging in and out of the garage all summer. You've seen me do that. As we get older, we need to have things made easy, and caddies underneath potted plants are critical. So I put those together and I got them moved in. Now I still have plants in my garage that I have to set up something, a grow light, something in there, because I have 10 pepper plants. I have 2 big pots of cardamom, comfrey. So all of that's going to have to stay out in the garage where it does not freeze, because there is one vent that goes in. So you will be seeing me develop that space for those plants. And you know, if we get warm sunny days, then I can just raise the garage door and roll them out. So thanks so much for watching. And if you're a late bloomer like me, I hope you'll subscribe. And I hope to inspire, educate, and entertain you in a video soon. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. Scroll down and click all so you won't miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.